Play kids, huh? Foundation of Johnson Global, right? Wow, love you so much. Great response from your side. Okay, which class it is? How many? Which class? Which KG? LKG. What about you? LKG. Once again say, which class you are? What about the first? Hello children. Which class now? Nursery. Oh, just you only started this journey, right? Very good, very good. Okay, hearty congratulations all of you. May God bless you, may God bless you.
Thank you, sir. God bless you.
Okay, shall we do dance? Huh? Okay, rather than dance, I would like to show you the talent of your headmiss. She is good at English, actually everybody knows very well. But she is far better than English. In which language? In Telugu. Even she sings like Sushila. That time sensitive. Join your hands together, please clap, all of you. All of you clap now. Okay, I request Pamela ma'am, please bless my children with your wonderful Telugu song. Right? These all are Chinnari Ponari kids now. I request her to come with that particular song now, please. Will all of you silence?
చిన్నారి పున్నారి పాపా రంగుల రంగుల చిలుక రేణి చిత్రాగిరి చిలుక నిన్ను చూసి నన్ను చూసి నువ్వు చిన్నారి పున్నారి పాపా రంగుల రంగుల చిలుక
Join your hands together. The melodious song Mama has exhibited. Bless you. This is a great day to all my beloved Johnsonites. You are my pillars. I don't want to call you right now play schools, right? Pillars of our Johnson Global School. Okay, na? Yes.